परम सौभाग्य इस पावन धरती पे माँ द्रोणागिरी तथा बाबा जी की पावन और पुण्य और अध्यात्म की जगत की योगानंदा की लिहारी महासाया की ये पूर्ण यात्रा अपने पूर्ण जीवन की हमारे प्रिय भाई ने यहाँ ये सुविधा खोली जिससे हम भक्तों को यहाँ ला पाए और पुनः आनंद की प्राप्ति करते हुए कल बाबा जी की केव का प्रस्थान करेंगे। और ऐसी सुविधाएं मिलती हैं तो ये अनुभव होता है कि प्रभु को पाना कितना आसान है। हाउ लव मतलब प्रिय लवेस्ट हाउ लवेस्ट गुरु इज when we met Guru in a graceful way, in a happiness way, in a lovest way. Love is everywhere in this divine place. Yes, it's a divine place. So I come to here to serve some devotees plus myself also, because I am also the flower of Babaji grace. So thanks of you to all of you. Jai Gurudev, tea time. Yes, it's a tea time to ourselves. And it's a just starting night, 6:30 p.m. Guru bless all. Jai Gurudev. Welcome to all to come here to take grace of Mahavatar Babaji. Dhyana. Welcome, please might be contact me. Yes, I will give you a full relaxation and an environment to enjoy yourself. Your soul is dancing. Your soul is dancing so many way. You can find, and you also goes into a fun and enjoyable what moment of your life. So welcome to all of you. Jai Baba Ji ki. Come and merge with Guru divine energy. Jai Gurudev, Jai Baba Ji, Jai Baba Ji, Jai Baba Ji, Jai Baba Ji. Wind is floating. My God, what a cool and mesmerizing. Yes, mesmerizing of divine, graceful energy. Jai Baba Ji to all of you. Namaste.